next few days, I am in Truro, Nova Scotia. It's called the hub of Nova Scotia, but a lot of people just drive by. And honestly, it's worth a stop in for a day or two. I'm at Victoria Park, and it is my favorite urban park in all of Nova Scotia. 3,000 acres of eastern hemlock forest. There are waterfalls and gorges and reservoirs. There are flat trails and steep trails. Honestly, this is such a beautiful place. It's worth a day trip to Truro on its own. We've been here many times, and it's nice to take a walk through here in the spring. It's still gorgeous, and the river is running wild. Popped in for a bite at the Nook and Cranny. Not only do they have great food, but they focus on serving local Nova Scotian food and drink. A local beekeeper opened this boutique dedicated to natural products with honey and beeswax. Committed to the environment, they also have a great refill program. I love the aesthetics at Brewing's Cafe. It's light, bright, and they have a great menu with things like rose and lavender tea lattes. I'm at the Cobequid Trail, which is 18 kilometers of trail that you can hike, bike, you can bring your dog, but you can't bring motorized vehicles. And this is the old barns section, and the reason it's called that is that in 1755, a bunch of Acadian buildings were burned. However, 1 or 2 barns were left standing. Now, to be fair, I do love the Caribbean weather. I love it hot. But there's something so exciting about spring. Like to have seasons and know we're coming out of winter, heading into spring. And you can feel it today because you can hear all the birds. The birds are coming back. Summer is coming. The Great British Grub is the place to go for breakfast. It has everything from the full English breakfast to fish cakes and a full page of vegetarian options. If you're here on a Saturday, you must go to the farmers market. Besides lots of great produce, there are local preserves, baked goods, kombucha, beer, wine, mead, cheese, and more. And Novelty Bookstore Cafe has its temporary home at the farmers market, but it's open 7 days a week. Even if you've never had Filipino food, you'll want to stop into this grocery store. Pro tip, bring a cooler and buy the ube ice cream. Thank me later. Truro has so many great coffee shops, and Jimolly's Bakery Cafe is one of my favorite in Nova Scotia. They make fantastic sandwiches with gorgeous bread, and even if you don't like coffee, try the chai latte or the London fog. I am so sad. I really wanted to go here. I heard they have amazing croissants and sourdough. Next time, Truro. It was a short trip to Truro, but I know I'll be back. Tell me where I should go next.
I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold, and I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold.